Hey Math Aces, and welcome to Mr. Ace Math. In this video, we're going to go over an example of adding decimals. And that example is 13 plus 7.8. Let's start by writing in 13. And because we're working with decimals in this question, it's important to remember that after the number 13 is an invisible decimal point. So let's place it right here. Next, we're going to write 7.8, but it's always important to follow what step number 1 says, and that's to make sure that you line up the decimal point. So because the first number decimal point is right here, we're going to write in the second number, making sure that this decimal point here is directly under our first decimal point. And that means it should look something like this. You see how the first decimal point is directly above the second? That's the most important step and the very first step whenever you're adding decimals. So now let's set up our addition with a line and a plus sign, and then go to step 2, which is to bring down the decimal point. This is talking about where you're going to place your decimal point in your answer. And you're going to place it exactly where it is in the question and just bring it down directly underneath this line. So we're going to place it right here. Again, making sure that it's directly beneath the decimal points in your question. And step 3 is to annex any zeros. That just means to place any zeros to the right of the decimal point wherever you see a blank there as a placeholder. So in the number 13, we had the decimal point here and an empty space here, so we can annex a 0 by writing a 0 right there. And now that we've got everything set up, we can start adding. And we always start from the right column. 0 plus 8 equals 8. 3 plus 7 equals 10. But because 10 is 2 digits, we'll bring down the 0 and carry the 1 over to the next column. And finally, we've got 1 plus 1, which equals 2, making our final answer 20.8, properly read as 20 and 8/10.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Questions? Comments? Leave them down below.
And thanks for using Mr. Ace Math. Don't just pass math, ace it.